Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to add free VPN in Google Chrome. First of all, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now first of all, you can see I'm here in my Google Chrome. Now to add free VPN, first of all tap on these three dots on top right and over here go to this extensions. Now over here you'll find this visit Chrome web store. Click on this and now you can see we are in Chrome store. Now over here on the search bar search for free VPN and hit enter. And now you can see here are different VPN available over here. Now select anyone with high ratings. For now I'll go with this Torch VPN. Over here you can see Torch VPN has 8 million users and also here is rating of 4.6, which is basically very good. Now to get this Torch VPN, tap on this add to Chrome. Click on this add to Chrome and after that you will get this pop-up. Click on this add extension. After that you can see it's downloaded and it's over here on my Google Chrome. Now to get this VPN, on the top right, you'll find this extension icon. Click on this and scroll down and over here you'll find this Torch VPN. Click on this and now click on this connect. And now you can see our VPN is activated. So in this way we can add free VPN on Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.